Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today's video is going to be a most delicious air fryer fried wing chicken recipe with a secret ingredient that makes the chicken extra crispy and extra delicious. This video is sponsored by Elechomes, so huge thank you to them for sponsoring this video. Y'all know I love me a good air fryer. And my biggest complaint about air fryers has always been, I wish this was bigger. I wish this was bigger. I need this to be bigger. And here is the answer to all of my problems. This is a 6.3 quart air fryer. I'm gonna go into the specifics when I go into the recipe and things like that, but it came with this. It also came with a recipe book, like a cookbook. Oh my gosh. Everything in here looks so good. There's so much stuff in here that looks so delicious, and it's definitely more on the healthy side because nothing that you put in the air fryer is going to be coated in oil, dipped in oil, none of that stuff. I also got this as well, and it's just like this little, I think this is like a recipe holder. You just have like all of these fun little contraptions where you can like make a cheesecake, you can bake in here. You can do all kinds of fun stuff with all of this stuff that's in there. Also comes with some tongs. So that will also be included as well. Link is down below to this air fryer, and also any discount codes will also be down there. So let's go ahead and let's get to this delicious, yummy fried chicken wing recipe with my secret ingredient to make it super, super crunchy and crispy. Okay, so the way to make these chicken wings, I've seen this on YouTube and I was like, whoa, I've got to try that for myself. So the secret ingredient, and this is great for keto, this is great for low carb because it literally adds no calories, no carbs, it just adds a little bit of sodium. And that is going to be the magic ingredient, baking powder. Baking powder. So all you're gonna do is just basically coat each of your wings with the baking powder. We have this gorgeous new air fryer. It is a 6 quart. It is huge. I'm going to go over some of the features in a minute. But we're just going to season this with some garlic powder, salt and pepper, and then I also have this roasted garlic and herb seasoning, which I love so much. It's not focusing. I'm sorry. This is just Weber. I think I got this at Walmart or something. So yeah, we're just going to quickly season all of the chicken, and then we're going to sprinkle on some baking powder. We're going to put it in the air fryer. And I will show you the little features of the air fryer and why I love this so much and why it's like a must in your kitchen.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence, until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while.
You have a 6 quart capacity in this. You just put it in there. Okay, so here you go. This is your on-off button, and you have right here, it is sent to you with the little description of what everything is. But once it turns on, which I love the fact that it's everything, none of these are buttons, because on other air fryers that I've had, they've been buttons, like for the chicken has been a button, and it hasn't been this LED lit up button. It's like a button with lettering on it. So it always ends up coming off and you're just like, well, what is this? So here you have chicken, seafood, steak, shrimp, which it has like the little emblem. So I'm just gonna take this off for a cleaner look. But if you wanna keep it on there, you totally can. I'm going to, like I said, take it off. But I am gonna keep this one on here because I wanna kind of test this out a little bit. It says start, stop, reminder. And then it says keep it touched for 3 seconds to enter reminder function. So I'm trying to see what the reminder function is. But here you have your power button. You have your temperature right here. So the highest that it goes is 400. You have your little, I guess your programmed things that you can cook. So it's no brainer. If you want to do some French fries, just press the French fry icon. It's going to pull up 400 degrees for 25 minutes and you just press start. Same with chicken, which is what we're going to be doing. 400 degrees for 22 minutes. What one is this? Maybe I should have left that last one on. It said that one, look, no, that's fish. Okay, fish. So any kind of seafood, it's gonna be at 360. So you can cook salmon in here, shrimp. Well, this one actually has a specified thing for shrimp. But yeah, salmon, fish, 16 minutes, 360, you're done. You can cook steak in here, shrimp, desserts. Like, what? Are you kidding me? And then over here you have your time icon and then time. So I guess this is, yeah, this like tells you how much time you have left, and this you can go up and down. So that's just basically if you don't use one of these pre-recorded or pre-input things, you can do your own. Like if you have frozen French fries and you know you want to cook them at 400 for 15 minutes, and you can go ahead and do that yourself and then just press start. So here, like I said, we've got chicken in there. It's going to cook at 400 degrees for 22 minutes. I'm going to press the start button and I will show you what they look like when it's done. And we cannot wait to try this chicken, because from what I hear, it's supposed to be like literally like fried chicken without any additional oil or flour or breadcrumbs or eggs or battering or anything. So I'm so excited for this. Okay, so halfway through, I want to go ahead, check them, turn them. You can shake them if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them around. Oh, sorry, you can't even see what they look like. They're smelling delicious. And I'm just going to quickly turn each of them so they can get crispy on both sides. And then we're going to leave them in there for another 11 minutes. I'm thinking the chicken might take a little bit longer than that. I definitely want it nice and golden brown. Okay, moment of truth. Oh my gosh, you guys, they look perfect. Oh, they look so perfect. We cannot wait to eat these. You see, they're like all nice and crispy. Oh! It's like all nice and crispy. And then you have that little bit of coating from the baking soda or baking powder. Which one was it? Hold on. I don't want to say it wrong. Baking powder. So you have the little bit of coating from the baking powder, which again is adding no carbs, no nothing, but it gives you just that little bit of extra kind of, ooh, this is like fried chicken taste or feel to it. It's probably not gonna have any taste to it. So yeah, this is what they look like. They look so delicious. We cannot wait to dig in. And oh, we're so excited. You don't even need to go out and get your chicken wings anymore. You can just make them at home. You can make your own buffalo sauce with some butter and some buffalo wing sauce, and you can have them all saucy. You could do lemon pepper, you could do Parmesan cheese, you can do so many different things. So again, with this air fryer, you can cook tons of different things, but I will definitely be cooking with this with like what's for dinner videos. If you guys want to see another one of another air fryer, like 5 meals, let me know in the comments down below, because everybody needs an air fryer. It is a must. You can even boil hard-boiled eggs in an air fryer. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna go eat these because I can't talk anymore. So, baking powder, y'all, I'm telling you, you have to try this. I will say, if you're gonna do this, try to seek out and look for aluminum-free baking powder, because I personally noticed a little bit of a bitter aftertaste. The kids did not. They devoured, I mean devoured these wings. I have made wings before in an air fryer, and they liked them and they enjoyed them, but they did not go crazy for them like they did for these. They also really enjoyed putting hot sauce on it. And next time I make them, I'm definitely going to be making a buffalo sauce and just like kind of like putting it in a container and shaking and coating it with the buffalo sauce. These were phenomenal, phenomenal. And I can tell you guys, for years upon years upon years, I have been loving my air fryer and telling you guys until I'm blue in the face how much I love my air fryers, how much you guys need one. You can cook so many things in the air fryer, from fries to onion rings to mozzarella sticks. All of that you can make homemade, or you can buy it frozen. You can do chicken nuggets, you can do a whole chicken. I've literally made a whole entire chicken in an air fryer before. I have a recipe, I will link that down below. You can make hamburgers, you can make steaks. There is so much stuff. You can do veggies, asparagus, Brussels sprouts. There's so many things that you can do in an air fryer. I recently learned that you can like hard boil eggs in your air fryer. So much that you can do. And I just love this bigger capacity because that's going to allow me to make the chicken without having to be like, now I got all this room, or I need to like make it in like 10 batches. Same with my hamburgers. I usually make like 8 at a time, and I usually have to do it in like 2 or 3 batches. I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to continue to like use this air fryer. I love that, you know, the buttons aren't going to rub off like they have in my other air fryers in the past. It's just so easy to use. It's so convenient. My son was able to use it with no instructions. Anyone can do it. So something I highly recommend. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you make this recipe, let me know and tag me on Instagram. It's Missgreeneyes1516. These, I'm telling you, are so good. Cantrell like devoured them, and like we had more left over the next day, and he was just like all over them. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Again, if you make them, let me know. Or if you've made them before and you've heard it, this isn't a new thing, let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.